Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I got something, well, it's really big. This is a frozen box from Taiwan. And when they sent it, it was full of dry ice. Well, this took 5 days to get here. I'm hoping everything inside is still cold, but I watched the guy, the FedEx guy, just like pick it up, carry it up the stairs. I'm like, this was supposed to be like 90 pounds. Either that guy's Superman or something's going on. So let's crack it open and have a look inside. Alright, we've got a big styrofoam cooler. It's very moist on top. And wow, it's really cold in here. I'm not seeing any dry ice. Is it in with the noodles? I'm seeing a big bag of noodles though. What do we have here? Maybe the dry ice was in with the noodles? Well, if it was, it's gone now. But these things are all, yeah, these are frozen solid. What do we have here? Oh, wow. So these are from a company called PLN. And I've reviewed some of them. If you haven't seen them yet, they'll be posting very shortly. They might be just about ready to post. But they're on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So if you go on my channel and search for PLN, you'll find the last two I've done. And at a future date, you'll see these. So first we've got a crispy shallot noodle, which sounds pretty good. Next we've got, this one just says vegetable with noodle. And there's the vegetable with noodle. I'm unsure of what this one is. I'll find out, that's for sure. This one's easy to tell. This is miso ramen. This one's a sesame paste noodle. So yeah, that's a bunch of neat frozen varieties from PLN of Taiwan. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to reviewing these, and now I've got to try to figure out how to jam them in the freezer. So yeah, good times. They're absolutely frozen solid as a rock, which is amazing considering there is no dry ice left in here. This thing doesn't weigh much at all. And yeah, well, cool. Thanks again, and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.